What's up everybody, it's Dakota from First Gear Media again, and today we are doing another video on the Integra. Today we are going to turn these super old, 20 plus year old headlights to look brand new again. And we're going to be doing that with this awesome Meguiars headlight kit. I've used this before, absolutely love it, I'm always going to use it. So that being said, I'm going to walk you through the steps to take your 20-year-old headlights into brand new ones. So starting off, you're going to want to wash the front end of the car, and then you're going to want to tape off your headlights. So I'm going to get that done real quick, and then I'll show you what's in the kit and we'll get started. Hey everybody, so we taped off and wiped down the Integra headlights, so that's all ready to go. As you can see, they're pretty oxidized, but we're going to change that. So that being said, in this Meguiars kit, I got the heavy duty kit. So this is specialized headlight coating, rubbing compound, the buffer pad that attaches to a drill, just any conventional drill, the scrubber pad, applicator pad, 3000 and 1000 grit sandpaper. What we're going to start off with is getting this and attaching the 1000 grit sandpaper to it, going over a light layer of the headlights, and then we're going to attach the 3000. We're going to finish on the 3000 for that, and that'll be the sanding part of the headlights. So I'm going to put it on fast forward and show you guys exactly how to do this. As you saw me do, we scrubbed this down already, and I hit it with the 1000 first and the 3000 after to a smooth surface. And as you saw, you always want to make sure you go in circles, even on square headlights, so you don't get any different shapes in your sanding patterns when you go to clear coat it. And also, don't push hard, just let it go smoothly. You'll see the oxidation start to sand off, and you can tell by the time it starts to get clear. And also, please always make sure you keep water or soapy water or something like that on the headlights, because if you try to do this without any sort of lubrication and leave it dry, you will get sand scratches in your headlight, and no amount of clear coating can fix that. So that being said, the next part of this, as you can see, this is all ready to go. I wiped the surface off clean again. We're going to get that buffer and the little compound, and then we're going to polish these, and then I'll show you what you guys got. Alright everybody, so as you just saw again, we buffed the headlights, and as you can see, they look so much clearer and crystal clear. Now, if you think that we're done with this, you could end on this step if you wanted to, because they do look very clear, and it only took about 5 minutes, but I do guarantee that by the end of 6 months, these are going to be yellow again, because all you did was just take off the oxidation. What we're doing today is we're going to not only take off the oxidation, make them clear, but seal them for an at least 2-year clearness. So, that being said, the next step is that we are going to coat them with the specialized headlight coating. Now what this is just a UV sealant that seals the headlights and keeps them from fogging up for quite a long time. Now what you're going to want to do for this is, once again, wipe this down, make sure it's clear, and then you're going to get that and one of these applicator sponges that come with the kit, and I will show you how to apply it and just dye it on the headlight, and you'll be pretty much done. What the bright side about this, when you're done applying the coating, you can leave it in the sun so it's all done, and then after that you can take the tape off. And also, for anyone who's curious on my buffing, I know it's not a rupees buffer or anything like that, I'm just working with what I got, hand drill, but you can do this with anything really, it's just any kind of drill. But one thing is that again, you want to use some lubrication with that, because what I was spraying on it was just some window cleaner, just so I could have some extra lubrication. You don't have to, it's just what I do personally on headlight restorations, and as you can see, it came out really clear. But without further ado, I'm going to put on this coating and show you how. Okay, so what you do is you get your applicator pad and you get your bottle. Do not use a lot, go for the outer edge of this, and then just dribble some on there. Do a light squeeze. As you can see, I didn't put a whole hell of a lot on there, I just put a little bit. And then what you're going to want to do is go in a circular pattern around the headlight. Starting out, just wrap around it with a trim, like so. So you're going to want to go around in a circle and then lift off one swipe, because you don't want to leave any accidental markings on it. And after you do that, then you're going to go back and forth, once again without lifting, and cover the entire headlight, like so. Just like that. And as you can see, look how crystal clear that headlight is now. So I'm going to do that to the rest of these headlights, and then I'll finish up here. Alright everybody, this is the finished product of the headlight restoration with no tape on, and they're all dried. This, for under $40, really made the car just look a whole lot cleaner, and I have HIDs in my Integra, but as you can see, another thing it does is it really increases your vision, so at night you're going to be able to see better, which is always a good thing. And yeah, it's just a great alternative to buying new headlights. For under $40, it passes for me. So this is where I'm going to end this video today, guys. I hope this helped you out, and I hope you can do this to your car to where it looks so much better like this. But if you want to see more of the project restoration on this Integra, I know we haven't had it long, but the headlights and the interior is a little step forward. And then we're going to be pumping out a whole bunch more videos now that we have some extra time, just really getting on it. And you're going to see a whole bunch more restoration on this, build it up, of course the Q50, and then more car reviews. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next week.